Hi, so I figured I'd do a quick recording on this to kind of just go over this real quick. First of all, sometimes the main reason we actually put things in the second account, the we call it the Curve Appeal account, but now actually it's the name is Comfort and Style, is we get charged long-term storage fees. So sometimes if something doesn't sell after the 6 months, or for like a certain reason it might have been returned, we put it back into the second account so we don't get hit with long-term storage fees. If you don't have login or access to that, let me know and I can give it to you. Um, but in general, most of the stuff is going to be on the main account. So let's go in here, advanced search, 1 through 15, search, export. All right, so here it is right here. Basically, for me to look at it real quickly, I can just do this, and then I can go to supplier, and if I go here to Courtney, nothing shows up. So basically that means nothing was sold on this account underneath your name. So let me just throw something else in there. So I'll go Panache. See, and if I wanted to, now it just shows me the Panache items. But if I want to get back out of there, just go clear filter. And then, I just double checked it, and by doing a Control F and then putting in the Courtney, and nothing was there. So you put in here that there are a lot of items that sold, yet in there it's 0. So I could be missing something. I'm not really sure. And if I am, let me know. I'm just going to kind of search it there and then look at it alphabetically. So maybe you were looking at the other one. But like I said, I could be missing something. If I am, let me know. Thanks.